Happy Tuesday, guys. Good morning to everybody watching my video. Good morning and much blessings to you all, guys. January the 26th, guys. January is almost over. You know what I'm saying? We're almost into February. You know, we almost 1 month down, guys. So, hey, I'm excited. About, what's to come. We always should have that positive outlook. I'm excited about, what's to come. I'm excited about, knocking down a lot of my goals, guys. And you should be doing the same too. You should be excited about, where you going and what you want to do. If you hear any music in the background, Facebook, Instagram, I don't own the rights to the music playing in the background. This is for inspiration only. Doing my inspiration as I do my commute to work on this lovely Tuesday morning. Guys, I just want to give a brief message. That is, don't let temporary be permanent. Don't let temporary be permanent. Meaning, if you're just in a temporary position and you want to get better and strive better, don't let that become permanent. And by not letting that become permanent is, being complacent, giving up, getting weary. The Bible tells us don't get weary in well doing. If you're doing a great job, if you ready to move to the next thing, keep pushing. Don't get permanent in a temporary position. We all, are in temporary position because all of us should want and strive for better. But does that mean that we should just give up, lay down there and just accept? No. That means still work. That means you still gonna work. You're gonna keep working. You know what I'm saying? Until you get to what you're trying to do and what you're trying to accomplish. So don't let something temporary become permanent. If you have goals, you have goals on, living better, eating better, starting your own business, upgrading, whatever, keep those goals at the forefront. Always work on it. You're not going to see instant, you're not going to receive always instant gratification. It doesn't work that way. It takes work and perseverance, in order to get to what you're trying to get to. But you can enjoy the process. You can have a great attitude while you're doing it. We all are in uncomfortable situations, and especially when you're trying to reach the next level and you're tired of your current situation, you're going to feel unease. That's letting you know that, okay, it's time to move on. Those signals saying, okay, I'm not comfortable with this anymore, so I outgrown this. And outgrowing something, that's perfectly fine. You want to start a new venture, or you want to just be a better person. That's okay. That's okay to do that. But what I'm saying? But when you start working towards getting out of that situation, you have to remember, okay, this is a process. What I'm saying? I'm going to go in positive. I'm going to be patient, and I'm going to keep working. Say for instance, I'm going to use a person that's trying to, weight loss. Anybody on their weight loss journey. And what you use on your weight loss journey. Some people go get weighed in. Some people go on the scale to see how many pounds they lost. And, that be their indicator determining if they're doing a good job. But you always can't go by that. You always can't go by what you see. Because sometimes you might kind of fall off, but you got to keep pushing. If that's your ultimate goal to lose weight, you got to keep pushing. Or if your goal was to start a business, or to do your own thing or whatever, and you're not getting the income or sales that you want, that doesn't mean throw the whole business away. That doesn't mean, okay, I'm about to give up, I'm not getting what I want. It takes time. If if you really truly want to work towards that, God will make a way for it to happen. It might not be when you want it, but it'll happen. So so we have to stop making temporary situations permanent. A lot of time people don't want to do the work. They want instant pop-up success, instant gratification. And you're going to make your own self feel inadequate. You know what I'm saying? You're going to give up on yourself because you want that instant. You know, it takes, like about 30 days, a months to form a habit. So you got to keep pushing and keep going. Now, okay, I didn't get the results I want, so I'm going to go ahead and give up, because that means you wasn't serious in the first place. You wasn't serious in the first place when you do that. You know, anything that you start is going to take work. You know, a lot of things going to have to get weeded out. God might have to weed some people out. God, you know, you might have to probably meet different people. You know, you might have to study harder. You might have to work harder, because it's a process. You know, you have to probably change old ways, old habits, mindset, dieting, whatever you used to feed yourself spiritually, physically, and mentally. You know what I'm saying? All that's going to have to change to get to your next step and next level. It takes work. It takes work. So, you know, I just want to drop that nugget on this morning. You know, don't make temporary situations permanent. What needs to be temporary needs to be temporary. You know what I'm saying? We all is trying to reach our goal. You know what I'm saying? All of us trying to reach the top. You know, so we need to be focused on that. Focus on the top, not on stuff in between, stuff on the ground, stuff beside us, stuff in front of us. We have to be focused on the top. Focus on that goal. Keep that goal the focal point. Keep the goal the focal point. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to say that. I'm going to come back on a little later on this afternoon. I got some new stuff I want to show y'all, some new products I want to show y'all. So I'm going to come back on later on. We're going to talk about that. But I just want to give that word of encouragement, inspiration to you, because, you know, I had, you know, after listening to a message this morning, I said, you know what, that hit home. That hit home. Why make temporary positions permanent? You know what I'm saying? When only it's just, when I'm just going through a process. I got to trust the process, you know, believe in myself, and believe that God is going to make a way for me. He's going to make room for me. That's what, you know, that's what I have to believe, and that's what I want you guys to believe. Guys, I'll come back later on this afternoon. In the meantime, have a blessed, fantastic Tuesday. Bye-bye.